Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to be making money because this channel is all about how to be making money online in Nigeria. So before I will move into this video, first like this video, subscribe to my channel. This is my first video. You need to clap for me. This is my first video on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to be making cool cash using this app. But first, subscribe. Let's go. Let's move to the screen. Okay guys, so see the app. The name of the app is OP. Are you seeing it? Just tap on it. So log in. So here, this is a desktop of OP. So where you can be making this money is from this list of logos you are seeing here. So this one you are seeing data. You can make money by buying cheap data and selling in the normal price, so you be getting gain. So the main place you make money from this place is going to refer and earn. Refer and earn is the only place, is a one of the only place you can be making cool cash by just referring your friends to the app. Like, it's a kind of inviting your friends to the app. So if you tap on reward, you will see the option to invite your friends to opay and get commissions. So whenever if you have some any media, or if you have friends, let me say any relatives, then ask the person, or your friend ask the person to sign in with this, or with your referral link, to sign in with your referral link. Then when the person sign in with your referral link, you will get your reward instantly, because opay is not a scam. It's a legit place where if you follow the instruction you get what you want. Also, if you want to be making money, whenever you fund your account, like if you fund your account like 1,000, you may not get any commission. So whenever you fund your account 1,000 and then fund it again, making it 2,000, it will make opay to give you the reward of 100 naira. Also, whenever you bet in this website, you be getting amount of money in it. So whenever you do all these things in a day, you get up to 1,000 or 500 naira. So when you follow the step, you can also browse on it on opay. When you follow the step and procedure and sign into the app, you will be getting money as a Nigerian. I be getting cool cash as a Nigerian. So this is a place where you can get cool cash and invest your money. That's it. So let's go back. Okay guys, have you seen it? Just follow all the steps. To be successful, it's not only to just learn. Whenever you learn something, try to put the thing into practice. It will make the whole thing work for you. So just follow all the steps that I show in this video. You'll be making at least 1,000 a day. You'll be making at least, let me say, 500 a day as a student or as Naija guy. With only this app, you can be making money online, cool cash. No be fraud. Just, if you like this video, just only you like my video. Na the only thing wey go make me happy. It's the only thing that will make me happy. I'm a new YouTuber, so this is my first video. I'm just showing you guys what I know, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. This is my new channel. It's only that will help me. Please subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.